Hi foodies, welcome to Curry and Hurry series episode number 9. Today let's whip up a super healthy and easy tofu stir fry that's perfect for any meal. First get ready by chopping up all your veggies, it's prep time. Now heat up 3 tablespoons of oil in a stir fry pan. I am using the Hawkins stainless steel stir fry pan for its even heat distribution. Let's start by shallow frying the cubed tofu until it's golden and slightly crisp on both sides. Do you know, tofu is packed with high quality plant protein and is a great source of calcium, making it perfect for building strong bones. Once the tofu is golden fried, let's remove and keep it aside. To the same oil, add in 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Saute it until they turn golden and crisp, filling your kitchen with a heavenly aroma. Next, toss in 2 tablespoons of the white part of the spring onions and saute for a few seconds. Then add 1 carrot that's chopped chunks style, 1/4 cup of sweet corn kernels, they bring a subtle natural sweetness. Add in 8 to 10 mushrooms cleaned very well for an earthy umami kick. Cook this for 2 to 3 minutes and now it's time to brighten things up. Add 1/2 cup of colorful bell peppers and saute it for another 2 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare a simple flavorful concoction. Mix a teaspoon of dark soy sauce and 1½ teaspoon of red chili sauce and a teaspoon of brown sugar. Stir it until smooth. Keep it aside. Let's toss the fried tofu back into the pan over these veggies and saute for a few seconds. Sprinkle in some salt, pour the prepared concoction over everything and coat the veggies evenly. Finally, take 1/4 cup of water, mix it with a teaspoon of cornstarch and pour it in. This will give your stir fry a glossy restaurant style finish while naturally thickening the curry. Garnish it with chopped green onions and a generous sprinkle of roasted sesame seeds. And there you have it, a vibrant, delicious tofu stir fry is ready to be served with your rotis, pulavs or even rice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and healthy recipes in our Curry in a Hurry series. Until next time, happy cooking. Meet you in another video. Bye.